Go get the rubber bands out of your head. Papa, take the rubber bands out.
Come over here where I can get them. Come over here.
Go let Papa take the rubber bands out of your head. Go there and let Papa take them out.
You like my friend? Huh? You like my friend?
A bird.
A bird, yeah, he's a bird.
Oh.
Oh.
Come over here. So, come here. I'm going to get the rubber bands out of your head.
Did it break? Oh.
No, I'm about to break it on purpose just to get them out of her hair. Here it comes. There we go.
Eyes, here, nose, leg.
Don't you like my little friend?
She's saying where all of his eyes and nose and mouth and hair is.
Okay, hold on. I almost got one out. There we go. There's one. You like my friend? See? Okay, come here.
Go get the other. Go get the other rubber band out.
Come here.
You like Papa's friend?
Yay. Oh, it's a bird. Yay.
You can play with it.
No.
He wants to play with you. You want to take him to bed?
No.
Why don't you want to take him to bed? Go there and see him. He wants to be your friend.
What's his name?
Bird.
Bird? Is his name Bird?
Huh?
Come here, you can take him to bed.
Hmm?
You want to take him to bed?
No. No.
He's sad.
He's
You don't make him
sad.
cry.
Can he have a kiss? He's sad. Oh, don't fall down. Can he have a kiss if he's sad? Look, there he is. Oh, he fell.
Down.
Can he have a kiss?
He fell down and I can't reach him.
Can you pick him up for Papa?
Can you give him to me?
Can you pick him up for Papa?
Can you give me my friend? I can't reach him.
Oh.
Can you get my friend?
Uh-oh. Can you pick him up for Papa? He's hurt. He's hurt.
Oh, I can't get my friend.
He's hurt.
I think that's my friend Drake.
Can you pick him up and give him a kiss?
At
He's
least give him
no,
to me.
the duck or the bird.
Come. His name's Drake.
Can you pick him up and help him?
Can you give him to me?
Can you help the bird?
Can't you give me my friend?
Can you help the bird and give him a kiss?
Oh, come here, Drake.
You couldn't help the bird and give him a kissy?
I got Drake.
Bird. No.
He likes to fly. Come here.
Where you going? Where you going?
He wants to go to bed with you.
He's sleepy. The bird is sleepy. There, you want to see him? You can see him through the camera. He's sleepy.
Oh, Papa today.
Come see Drake.
Hi. No.
He's sleepy. Can he go to bed? He's sleepy.
Oh. Papa.
Oh, he fell down again.
Go.
He's sleepy.
Come catch him. He's gonna fly to you. He's gonna fly.
He's gonna fly. Can you catch him? Go catch him. He's gonna fly. You better go catch him.
No.
Oh, you didn't catch him.
Try it again.
No.
No.
Okay. No.
Who wants a kiss?
Can you kiss him?
Okay. You're gonna fly over to your playpen.
Oh, he went to bed in the playpen.
Oh.
His name's Drake.
He went to bed in the playpen with his other little friends.
He'll be there waiting for you in the morning.
He went to bed with Mickey and Ribbit and Elmo and the fish and all the other little friends.
What about this one? Do you like this one?
You gonna go to bed with Owlbear?
What time is it?
Kiss.
Is it kissy time? Mm-mm. Well, you didn't give me a
You
kiss.
gotta give them more kisses. Give me that.
Give me a kiss. Love you.
Now what do we do? Now we go.
Good night.
Come here.
Love
Give
you.
them more kiss.
Mwah.
And that night.
Mwah. Love you. Good night. Good night. Mwah. Go look at the stars. Good night.